Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Twitter or X to N8N to automate your posts. So step 1, open your N8N instance and create a new workflow. Step 2, create a Twitter or X developer app and obtain API key, API secret key, access token, and access token secret. Step 3. In N8N credentials, click Create New for Twitter and paste those keys. Step 4. Add a Twitter node to your workflow and select the credentials you just created. Step 5. Configure the operation. Choose Post Tweet or Post Media, then enter the message, text, or media URL that you are about to do. Step 6. If you want scheduled automation, add a cron node before Twitter. Set a schedule such as 9 a.m. daily. Step 7. Link cron node output to the Twitter node input so tweets go out on schedule. Step 8. For dynamic content, you can use an HTTP request node to fetch content from an API or RSS feed. Then pass the result into the Twitter node. Step 9. Test the workflow by clicking Execute Node on Twitter node. Verify the tweet appears on your account. Step 10. Enable the workflow and let N8N run it automatically. Monitor the logs for errors and adjust the text length or API rate limits as needed. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.